Hey, what's up everyone? I got a little Billboard radio here. It's I think this is a Bluetooth. This was dropped off to me to fix. This is the way I got it. The problem with it is you can see the little USB charger is missing. So that's what we have to try and fix. We have to try and get one on this so it can be used. Maybe. Like I said, I think this is Bluetooth. This was dropped off to me for quite a while ago, and I've just been kind of doing some other things, getting caught up before I got to this. This was next on the list. So, we're going to see if we can't fix it. We got the two knobs and the two screws, or two nuts that hold the potentiometers on the face. A couple of the cords or plugs are already undone. So, I'm going to get you set up in the stand. We're going to get this board pulled off of here. I guess that's the whole brains of the outfit right there. And we'll get and see if we can't get a new USB put on it. I guess it's actually a micro or a mini USB. It's an old style, not the C. Now we just got a bunch of plugs. There's our little board. Hopefully I can figure out where all those go. Like I said, there's two on the faceplate that were already taken off. But they're color coded, so I'm pretty sure we can figure that out. Let's see if we can't get that. We got to get that cleaned up first. May have to move you around so I can work over on the other side here, so my soldering iron and all that'll reach. So I'll finish getting set up and we'll get this cleaned up, and hopefully we can get a new one put on it. Okay, so we'll warn you, it's going to be kind of a orange tinge to the video because of my incandescent on my old man light. We got to get some of this slobber cleaned up, and it doesn't look real healthy in there. Hopefully it didn't ruin those. Looks like little transistors. Looks like there's a transistor behind it and a cap. This is kind of a cheap outfit, so he just wanted me to see if I could get it fixed. If not, he's okay with it. Hope that's a double pad. Stay put. Quit shaking. Not good. Nope, not good at all. And that got tore off. Tore a bunch of the pads off of it. Yep. Doesn't look good. Too much of the masking. Got too much of the masking missing. Yeah, we can try it. But I'm not giving it much hope. Okay, got a good one. Now we gotta see if there's enough pads left to get it on there. It says it doesn't look healthy, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of it. Ow! Yeah, get up there. Alright, let me dig up a cord. Alright, that's... Yeah, we got a light. Anyway. Oh, let's see, what do we got? Can we power it up? That's play. Mode. I don't see anything on the display though. And USB auxiliary mode, fast forward. Let's see, in, volume. I don't see a power. Nope. Our light went out. My plug. Yeah, my USB. Cord. I don't see anything going on. Let's see, volume and treble. Are those two? Let's make sure we're not grounding out. Need a better cord, that's for sure. Okay, that is a power, the volume. Turn it on, it goes out. Alright, let me work on it a little bit. May have to redo. See if I can get in there a little bit better. I may have one of my contacts. Looks pretty good. said, it looked like some of the pads were tore off when it got pulled. Somebody jammed the mini USB in. Nope, come on. Aha. Hi. All right, so far so good. I got to get some of this cleaned up so we can hook that up. Well, let's try that again. I'm gonna, okay, there. Turned on. High. I think this is mode. Line. FM. Okay. I know I need a better cord. Alright, let me get straightened up here and we'll get it put together. Alright, let's see if we can't get this put together. Get you down here a little bit. That one, I know where that one goes. These two. Come on. That red one. I'll go right there. I'm not gonna glue anything together until I make sure that it's going to work. There we go. That's good enough for now. Back up a little bit more. Now I got a different cord. Problem is, it's not quite long enough. So let's move you around a little bit. See if I give us enough rope. Doesn't like that cord. Or I got something off. Let's see. Let me... Alright, let me see if I can find a different cord. Alright, I think I got it figured out.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, so there was enough pad left on that one little spot that I was able to get it connected, and I got it all wired up right. I was kind of off on a few, but another successful repair. The radio does work, and I just figured there's no sense in showing you the radio because it works. You know, I don't like that one. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Another successful repair, hey? That's the way it goes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. That one, I was surprised, because when it was pushed, when somebody jammed, probably it upside down, pushed it in, it shoved the mini USB right off the board, and a lot of times it pulls pads. Well, it didn't this time. There pulled a little bit of the one pad, but I was able to get a hold of it enough, and it's connected and working. That's all that counts. So until next time, see ya.